So I got a recipe for you today. This is my triple butter, AKA the man stealer butter. And the reason why I call it that, you know what? You know what? This is what we're going to do. This is an amazing whipped butter, body butter with three different exotic butter. Well, one exotic butter, three different butters in it. This is for a 20-pound whip formulation. This is exactly what we're going to do. This is how we're going to do it. Y'all be careful you give this butter away too, cause it's a problem. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's a problem. Now, the first butter I'm going to do is 15 pounds of refined white shea butter. The reason why I like the refined one is because you don't have to fight that shea butter scent to cover it up when you're adding your fragrances. Next, we're adding 3 pounds of natural mango butter. This one is going to be refined, so it is, of course, fragrance free, so we don't have to worry about the scent of the butter. It's already white. It's perfect to use in our body butter formulation. The reason why I like to add mango butter, it is butter with a higher melt point. That way, when you are shipping your butters, it's less likely to melt at lower temperatures. So the last butter is going to be 2 pounds of refined avocado butter. Avocados are really rich butter. I'm not gonna lie, I love avocado butter. It works really good for eczema creams as well. But we're gonna go with 2 pounds of refined avocado butter. Now, we're going to add in 15 ounces of vitamin E. This is going to be our antioxidant, making sure our butters don't, I don't want to say expire, but don't go rancid. All right, we're going to do 8 ounces of Optifin Plus. The reason I'm going for a higher dosage of Optifin for this one, even though this is a 20-pound recipe, is because when it comes to body butters, everybody is sticking their fingers in it. Nasty nails. Hey, some of y'all don't wash your hands when you come out the bathroom. Now, fragrances. We're going to go to Wholesale Supply Plus. I chose this fragrance just for you guys. This is the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo fragrance oil. Number 19824 if you just want to do a quick search. This is a really good, fruity, vanilla, creamy smell. It's perfect for adding multiple colors to your body butter. Now, with this one, I'm only going with one color, but this is a great fragrance oil to go with. In terms of our color, we're going to go over to madmicas.com. We're going to get the Love Bite pink mica. This is a really good one. Really bright pink, nice, shiny. It's perfect to go with the fragrance. It's perfect to go with all the white butters we added in there to bring in the color. So this is a great body butter, great color option for our body butter. And don't forget arrowroot powder. Now, body butters tend to be a little greasy, all right? Just imagine oil on top of butter, on top of oil, on top of butter. So body butters can be a little greasy. Arrowroot powder will cut that grease out. Now, how much do we add? I'm going to go with anywhere from 1 ounce to 6 ounces, depending on, or even 8 ounces, but it all depends on how the consistency or the oiliness of your butter. How we make this really simple. Add all your butters into a double boiler, melt it down. If you don't have a double boiler, set your pot on an extremely low temperature, drop your butters in there, allow them to melt gently. All right. I find if you allow them to melt too fast and then you put them somewhere to try to cool up, you get a really grainy body butter. Now, if you get that grainy body butter, melt it back down and redo it. But allow it to melt gently. Now, once all your butters are melted, go ahead and add in your fragrances, add in your colors, add in all of that. Whip it all up. Now, once it's whipped and you got that nice, what they say in cooking school, make sure you whip your whipped cream where you have peaks. Once you get that nice whipped consistency, go ahead and start adding in a little arrowroot powder at a time until you get that or the greasy level that you're looking for. Add in your pigment powder or your mica coloring as well. This is a simple recipe, a simple product, a simple body butter you could bring to the market and you can start selling this weekend. Matter of fact, let's do it like this. Comment butter on the post below and I'll send you the full breakdown, the formulation, even the links to where to get everything you need for this.